my name is Liz Gooch. I'm the owner of Calla Creative Ink. We've been talking today about trade show booths and trade shows in general. I'd like to talk to you about tablecloths now. The tablecloth sounds like something on your grandmother's table, but it's not. What it is in this case is it's a place where you display all your materials, like your marketing materials. And we could make some fantastic displays that are stretched over your table that can complete your booth. They can flow gently down. We can make them fitted so they snap into place. The nice thing about them is the fabric is gorgeous and it photographs well and it finishes a booth. An open table at a trade show or even a banner stretched across the front doesn't give quite the same effect on the table as a full table covering. So at Calla Creative Ink, we encourage you to be as professional as possible at your trade show so that you can make as much money from it. At Calla Creative Ink, we make your trade show bloom. Give us a call today at 720-612-1376.